Today, we are getting involved in the world of Foley art. What is Foley art, you may ask? It is a type of sound design that is used in TV shows, movies, fucking commercials. Let me just show you an example of what this actually is, what this actually looks like. That is what we're doing. We are essentially going to recreate these. We're gonna decide like midway through whether it is gonna be like serious or we're gonna have to turn it into like a fucking joke. I truly wanted to use like household items. I did not want to go out and buy anything. This is what we were working with right here. So let's like analyze what he does and let's kind of use this as a base. So first thing we have to nail is his footsteps, right? I think that's fine. I think we're literally just fingering this. Okay, that sounded weird. That's kind of a weird sound, no? That's good. That's pretty spot on. Third part is his shoe, which he uses with a card. Oh, that sounds a lot different. How does he get it so good? Oh, he uses one side. Okay, that's a move. All right, so I think our first three are looking really good. Okay, this is gonna be impossible. This is the part I have no idea what to do. So we need some sort of rubber stretching, but all I have is this. Oh, if I pull like really hard, and then I think this is the hardest part. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Oh, what if I got, guys, what if I just do this? No, that sounds so much like brushes. Let's think about it. Let's see if we can even execute this. Okay, here's the first run. Oh my God, this is so bad. Wait, hold on. How was that, guys? How was that? That move is so fast. Wait, how does this guy do that? Oh, he has two hands to work with because it's on the ground. Okay. So then from here, okay, and then I go crazy. Maybe I just throw shit on the ground. Like, what if I just did like... I think that could be an easy way out. Oh, he drops like a can too. So let's run the whole thing right now. Oh my... I jumped the gun. Dude, there's too much tension in that. There's too much tension. That was not bad, I think. I can't tell if it's shit or not. Guys, be real with me. Tell me if this is ass. I genuinely cannot tell. What if I hit this? That kind of sounds good, no? Like a really hard hit, and then drop everything. I think that might be the best we get. Guys, whatever, we're sending it. I couldn't reach the thing, so I had to improvise. I was like, fuck, I'm not gonna have time to reach for the brush. Fuck it. We're done with this. We're fucking done with this. We're moving on to Zelda. Okay, so that was just a practice run, basically. This is all that matters. If we just nail this. All right, let me go get some rocks. All right, guys, I'm foraging for rocks. I'll be back in a sec.
A few moments later.
Guys, we got a good haul. First off, we have my dead basil plants from my garden. I think this is gonna be great for like the running. We have 2 gorgeous rocks for the door open in the beginning. This is pretty accurate. Rocks at the beginning, right? My rocks are a little lighter than his, but I don't think it really matters that much. Second part is the running now, right? Accuracy pretty high. I'm just gonna do the with my mouth. And then I gotta whistle. And then he does his little like, oh, this is gonna be hard. I need so many hands and I don't have like a desk. I think this is the closest. Guys, the only issue is this requires like 15 tools. I think I have to put this on my lap or something because I need one hand. Oh my God, I'm gonna look stupid. I don't even know what this is, but it works. This works. And then please let the ending be easy. Oh, the fucking ending is a symbol. Wait, what if I just don't use the cover? I think this is better. No, like what if I double? I think we have everything we need. Well, we're gonna do our first run. Oh my gosh. I think I just have to use the same brush for this because I don't have enough time. What is the sound? Okay, I went way too early. I think the issue is I need a desk. This is literally just desk diff. He has 2 hands. I only have 1 hand. Wait. Okay, we have to perfect his smile. Oh my God. This is the hardest part. I have to act like I'm enjoying it. All right, this is with the expressions. How is that? Almost perfect. I might need to hold the rock the entire time because I don't have time to set it down. Unless for the running, I can use the brush. That's actually not bad. Fuck this. I think we start with everything on my lap. We rock directly into the stomps while I'm putting the second rock down. Into swish, and then I blow. I'm also balancing the pot lid on my dick the whole time. This is showbiz. Into the whistle. Into the hat. Into this drop the canvas symbol. That is the symphony we are working with. I might have to put this in my mouth actually. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was early, but I think the beginning was actually pretty good. We're running it back. Oh my god, what am I doing? If I hold it like this, it doesn't ring. Wait, this might be the move. Oh my god, I have it balancing right behind here. You see that? That's perfect. Then I lift it up and it's right there. Okay, I think that might have been the final piece of the puzzle. This could be like a legit run right here. Honestly, that was pretty good. Let's do a VOD review. Like my whistle does not sound good, and the hat also does not sound good. I think I need to be closer. But I think we're ready for our final runs. I think we're gonna do 2 normal and 2 with his expressions. Commit, commit, commit. Okay, let's do this. That's so bad. All right, that's gonna be the normal one. We're gonna do a smiley one. I gotta enjoy it. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we fucking go. Act like I love it. Act like I'm having fun. How was that, guys? How are the facial expressions? I think I kind of killed it, no? Dude, I'm fucking done with this. All right, we're watching it back. If it's even semi-decent, we are done. Oh my god. It actually is not terrible though. I will say. I will. Maybe I can make it sound good. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I can work that like editing magic.